So now the third video now is collaborations. Okay, now I'm going to show some screenshots of two different people that are friends. I know them. I have personally watched their skit. So one of them is, I think, 210,000 followers. The other one is 5,600 followers. Now you can see in my screen the skit that they shoot together. They all made the post. They all posted the skit and tagged each other's pages. Now this is collaboration. The one that has 5,600 followers will leverage on the one that has 210 followers to grow her page. That is called collaborations. Many of you will likely to have maybe people that have higher number of followers. You can collaborate with them, you can pay them, or you can befriend them and be collaborating for free. The most important thing is that one is leveraging. Even the one that has 210, you can still leverage on the one that has 5,600 followers to get some followers. All you need is just that visibility. So that is what collaboration does. When two people who have mutual interests, the likes of Sabinus, like Brain Jota, Vesawos, all these skit makers, all of them, they do the same thing. They collaborate, they shoot skits together. That way, they are still relevant in the industry. So as a content creator, don't ignore collaborations and don't feel too big to ask for collaborations. It is very, very important. So this is where I'm going to end this video. See you guys in the next video.